Okay. Now, today we have our topic, subject maths. Topic is time and calendar. First of all, we have to know about what is time and calendar. Time and calendar means the event held in future and past. Okay, we have to understand that time and calendar means the event held in future and past. Now, in the chapter, what we have to learn, read and write in various formats. Okay, read and write in various formats, then draw clock's face and hands to then write time in am and pm and what is pm, then learn vigor units, month and year, then read a calendar. Okay, how to read a calendar. Now, before starting, I have to tell you one more thing. We must utilize our time in proper way. We must utilize our time. I will introduce the chapter by giving example. Okay, by giving example of taking the time and when we wake up, our routine, daily routine work, what reading, when we sleep, our timetable. In this particular chapter, we learn about AM and PM also. Okay. Now first, I will show you a watch. This Sugandh, Surbhi, please stop. Okay, one more thing. If if Samya is there, please Samya, please try to contact me. Samya, Samiya, Samya Malik. Please try to contact me today only. Now look at this. What is this? When we wake up, okay. Suppose Amika is a punctual girl. Amika is a punctual girl. She does all her work on time. She does all her work on time. Let us check her timetable for daily activities. Okay, let us check her timetable for daily activities. Now she wakes up at dash o clock. Okay, she wake up dash o clock. Okay, so this is the clock when she wake up. If she is punctual, yes, very nice. Next, first one is this, and second one is she goes to school at dash o clock. Now this is the time for going school. When she wake up, when she goes to school, now the third one is we have to draw the clock here also. Third one is she plays in the evening at dash o'clock. She plays in the evening at 'o'clock. Now everyone please look at this. Now just reminder, just think, if she is a regular and punctual girl, so when she wake up at 6 o'clock. Now how to draw 6 o'clock? Look at this. This is a suppose a watch. See, these numbers are 12 and this is 6. Okay, this is 9 and this is 3. Okay, now in between 1, 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Then 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, now this is, suppose this is a watch. What is this? These are the hands. The longer one is minute hand, and the smaller and thicker one is a hour hand. Okay. Now we have to draw the hands. When she wake up, I think, now look at the time. When she wake up? She wake up at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Now the second one is she goes to school at -o'clock. When she goes to school, now look at this watch. Okay, I'll make one more watch for you. Now look at this. Okay, this one is this is a 12, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so now look at the watch. What time this watch is showing? Yes, the 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock she goes to school at 7 o'clock. Okay. Next, she plays in the evening at -o'clock. वो शाम को कितने बजे खेलती है? Now we have to draw the watch. Okay. Twelve, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now look at this watch. Now look at this. See, these are the, see, this is a minute hand. The longer one is minute hand, and the shorter one is hour hand. Okay. Now, when she goes for playing 3 o'clock, no, then she will go for playing. She plays in the evening at, I'll rather wait, at 5 o'clock. Okay, at 5 o'clock. And when she had her dinner, she takes her dinner at, now look at this watch again, look at this time, at 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock she had her dinner. Okay, now this way we have to check all the time, how, when we wake up, when we sleep, when we do our homework, when we go for sleep. Okay, now reading and writing, just listen. देखो इसको ध्यान से देखो बच्चे. This is a, suppose a clock is here. Try to read that time. Wait. See, this is a watch. There are two types of watches. The one is digital, which shows numbers, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 and 12 13 14 like this. And one is clock. See, look at this. No, I will show you. Now look at this. Here is a watch. Look at this. This is a watch. What time this watch is showing? This watch is showing 7 o'clock. Now look at this, how it is 7 o'clock. This is minute hand. Minute hand. Okay. And this one is hour hand. Beta, now start from here. It always start from 12. 12 o'clock means 7 o'clock. This is the time, 7 o'clock. Or the or hand is on 7 and the minute hand is on 12. So it means 7 o'clock. It means 7 o'clock. Now look at this one. Now look at this. This watch is showing, see, the hour hand is on 10 and the minute hand is on 12. So this shows 10 o'clock. This shows 10 o'clock, means 10. Okay. Now the next one is ये, अब ये देखो 6 o'clock. The minute or is the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 6. So it is a 6 o'clock. Now beta, look at the watch. I will show you a watch. Look at this watch. Now look at this. Please, this is a watch. Now I will show you. Wait. The longer one. See, this longer one is a, this pin is, longer one pin is at, now wait. Now look at this. This is a watch. It is showing, see, 3 hands are there. 3 hands are there. Minute hand, second hand and hour hand. Now look at this with a, now I'm moving minute hand. Now look at the minute hand. I'm moving it. See. This is moving in clockwise. Okay. Now if the hour hand, this is the hour hand is on 2 and minute hand is on 12. It means 2 o'clock. Okay. Then now look at this. The minute hand is moving. Now this is a, from 12 we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12 to 5 minutes. 12, 3 to, now look at this. 3 to 5 minutes. Then now this is 3 to 10 minutes. This is not moving. Okay, I'll draw them and then I will show you. Now look at this. I will draw and show you. See, Look at this. Are you able to see? Are you able to see, beta? If you are not able, you can write on the chat box. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Now look at this. Are you able to? Now you are able ना? Okay. वॉच में फर्स्ट थिंग क्या है? सबसे पहले यहाँ पे 12, देन 1 2 3 4 5 is a 1 1 2 3 4 5 is a 2 1 2 3 4 5 is a 3, then 1 2 3 4 is a 5 is a 4 o'clock, 5, then 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so this is 1 2 and okay. See, the minute and the hour hands move around the clock. These are the, this is a minute hand and this is a hour hand. The minute and hour hand moves around the clock. ये पूरी clock में घूमते हैं दोनों के दोनों. When the minute hand reaches half, okay, जब ये minute hand जो है यहाँ से चलते 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 चलते, suppose ये 6 पे आ गया, suppose ये 6 पे आ गया, तो क्या टाइम हो गया? 3.5. जो ये है ये हाफ में काटा हुआ है, हाफ में काटा हुआ है. दिस इज हाफ पास्ट. ओके, दिस इज हाफ पास्ट, दिस इज हाफ पास्ट. ये क्या है? हाफ पास्ट. आधे मीन्स जिसको आप बोलते हैं 30 मिनट्स. 30 मिनट्स हाउ वी हैव टू डिफाइन नाउ? 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 20 minute, 25 minute, and this is a 30 minute. 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 20 minute, 25 and then 30 and then 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and this is a 60. पूरे 60 मिनट. एक वॉच में कितने मिनट होते हैं? 60 मिनट्स. वॉच में 60 मिनट्स. और 60 मिनट जब एक पूरा राउंड कंप्लीट हो जाता है 60 मिनट का, तो क्या बन जाता है? 1 आवर. क्या बन जाता है? 1 आवर. ओके, 60 मिनट जब कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं, यहाँ से वॉच स्टार्ट होती है. सपोज यहाँ से वॉच आपकी स्टार्ट हो रही है, ये 3 पे है. ओके, तो ये जो मिनट वाली सुई है ये यहाँ से घूम घूम के ये यहाँ 12 से घूम रही है. यहाँ 12 से स्टार्ट होती है घूमना, फिर 1 पे, 2 पे, 3 पे, 4 पे, फिर 5 पे, 6 पे. तो जब ये 6 पे आती है तो इट मीन्स 30 मिनट पास्ट. 30 मिनट पास्ट, 30 मिनट पास हो गए, 30 मिनट हो गए. आफ्टर दैट 35 मिनट, फिर उसके बाद में 40 मिनट, फिर उसके बाद में 45 मिनट, फिर उसके बाद में 50 मिनट एंड देन 55 एंड एट लास्ट 60 मिनट. तो इसके बाद में ये और जो और वाली पिन है ये 3 से 4 पे चली जाती है, ये 3 से 4 पे चली जाती है व्हेन इट कंप्लीट सर्कल. ओके, नाउ 1 और 60 मिनट. 1 आवर में कितने मिनट होते हैं? 60 मिनट. सो half past the hour indicates indicates 30 minutes. Okay, indicates 30 minutes past the hour. Again I will repeat, if the watch moves clockwise, now look at this, clockwise 12 से start होती है, this is a 3 o'clock. Okay, now look at this time, this is a 3 o'clock. ये मिनट हैंड है, मिनट हैंड जब मूव करना शुरू करता है 12 से 1 पे आता है तो 5 मिनट हो जाते हैं, फिर 1 से 2 पे जाता है तो 10 मिनट्स हो जाते हैं, 2 से 3 पे आता है 15 मिनट्स, 3 पास्ट 15 मिनट्स, देन 3 से 4 पे आता है तो हो गया 20 मिनट्स. ओके, देन 5 पे आता है तो 25 मिनट्स, देन 6 पे आता है तो हाफ पास्ट मीन्स आधा हो गया. ओके, तो आधे 1 घंटे को आधा घंटा हो गया, 3:30 हो गए, इट मीन्स हाफ पास्ट 3. ओके, देन फिर जब वो 7 पे जाती है तो 35 मिनट हैंड, जब 7 पे जाएगा तो 35 मिनट, 8 पे जाएगा तो 40 मिनट, 9 पे जाएगा तो 45 मिनट, 10 पे जाएगा तो 50 मिनट, 11 पे जाएगा तो 55 मिनट, और लास्ट में 60 मिनट्स कंप्लीट. ओके, 60 मिनट जब कंप्लीट होते हैं तो 3 से वॉच कहाँ चली जाएगी, जो हॉर एंड है वो कहाँ चला जाएगा 40, क्योंकि 60 मिनट का एक 1 आवर होता है, 60 मिनट का 1 आवर होता है. नाउ suppose the time is given 1 o'clock. Okay, so how we have to draw the watch? Draw this watch, always put 12 and 6, 12, 6, 3, 9. Okay, then 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, इनके बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना है 5 5 का, 1 2 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40, 45 minutes, and then 50, and then 55 minutes. Okay, so ये पूरा क्लॉक होती है. नो अभी हमें क्या बनाना है, 1 o'clock बनाना है. तो 1 o'clock हम कैसे शो करेंगे इस वॉच में? तो फर्स्ट हम क्या करेंगे, लंबे वाला जो हैंड है ये है मिनट हैंड. ओके, और जो शॉर्ट और थोड़ा थिक है दैट इज और हैंड. अभी हमने क्या टाइम रखना है 1 o'clock. सो व्हाट विल डू, मिनट वाली 12 पे जाएगी और वाली 1 पे जाएगी. सो दिस इज अवर 1 o'clock. नाउ लुक एट दिस 1 o'clock. आर यू एबल टू सी? Now look at this. This is 1 hour. Okay, this is 1 o'clock. The time is 1 o'clock. I will show you one more. 12, 6, sorry, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Now look at this. Again we have to draw minute. these are the hours. ये जो बीच में है ये hours हैं और बाहर हम क्या रखते हैं minutes इनके, ठीक है। 60 minutes, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 20 minute, 25 minute. This is 30 minute, 35 minute, 40 minute, and this one is 45 minute. This is 50 minutes and this one is 55 minutes, and at last 60 minutes. Okay, now we have to draw the time and we have to show the time 4 o'clock. How we have to draw? Now minute hand is on 1, okay, and the hour hand is on 4. Okay, this shows the time 4 o'clock. This shows the time 4 o'clock. Okay, now in our next exercise we have to show half past. Half past, I told you, आधी घड़ी is side 60 minute and this is 30 minute. Okay, this is 15 minute and this one is 45 minute. 12, 3, 6, this is 9. Okay, these are the words we have seen in the clock. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, suppose this is a watch. Now this is a half past. Half कितना होता है? 60 का half कितना आएगा? 30. 60 का half कितना आएगा? 30. तो जब भी हमारी मिनट वाली मिनट हैंड जो है वो इस साइड से घूमते हुए जब यहाँ पे आएगा, जब मिनट हैंड यहाँ से घूमते हुए यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 6 पे, तो ये हाफ पे आ गया। तो ये हमारा टाइम क्या हो गया? हाफ पास्ट। हमारा टाइम क्या हो गया? हाफ पास्ट। मिनट वाली और वाली जो है वो चाहे कहीं पे भी हो, वो अगर 1 पे है तो 1 पास्ट, 1 हाफ पास्ट। ओके, देन 2 पे है हाफ पास्ट 2, 3 पे है हाफ पास्ट 3, 4 पे है और हैंड जो है वो अगर 1 पे है तो 1 पास 30 1 पास 30, 2 पे है 2 पास 30, 3 पे है 3 पास 30, 4 पे है 4 पास 30, 5 पे है 5 हाफ पास्ट 5. ओके, 1 हाफ पास्ट 1, हाफ पास्ट 2, हाफ पास्ट 3, हाफ पास्ट 4, हाफ पास्ट 5, हाफ पास्ट 6. ये है हमारा हॉर हैंड। और मिनट हैंड जब यहाँ पे पहुंचता है तो इट मींस हाफ पास्ट हो गया, हमारा टाइम आधा हो गया, 1 आवर से आधा हो गया। और जब यहाँ पे आता है तो जब यहाँ पे आता है हाफ, यस, पास्ट टू, ओके, हाफ पास्ट एंड क्वार्टर पास्ट. दिस इज अ क्वार्टर. half past, quarter past start from here. Okay, quarter past start from here and this is a half past. Now here are some clocks I will show you. Please take out, all of you take out your book. Yes, all of you please take out your book, take out exercise 2.2. 2.2. Yes, 12, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Now, what time this watch is showing? Look at this. This is a hour hand. Now look at this. Smaller one is a hour hand and the longer one is minute hand. Okay. Smaller one is hour hand and the longer one is minute hand. Okay. Now what time this watch is showing? 4:30. What time? 4:30. Means 4:30. Means 4:30. Now same I will show you one more watch. Now look at this. The next one is showing 4:30. Now look at this. Look this one. Now tell me what is the time in this watch? Please write on the chat box what is the time in this watch.